Hi guys, today I'm going to give you my #1 best tip for copying your painting to canvas using PosterBurner. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, so remember this beautiful painting from clouds to flowers. It was an 18 by 24 I did back in July of 2019, and this is the original creation video will be linked right here. You can click to see how I turned this crazy painting into this beautiful piece. It was quite a ride, and also I think this is on my must-see list if you haven't seen this video already, because to me this is one of my most beautiful pieces of all time. This is what it looked like with a coat of resin on it. Isn't it pretty? All the shimmer and beautiful metallics on this one, but of course it sold, and I thought I would really like to have this a copy. So I decided to try PosterBurner.com, and I'm going to give you my best tip for using PosterBurner. So it's real easy. You can print something onto a canvas if you like. It can be a single panel or a double panel. Just upload your image. Make sure the image is really crisp and clear and clean, and you want a high quality image for that. And then decide if you want it to be a diptych or a single panel, and I just chose a single panel for this one. Now there's a lot of different options for the canvas wrap. You can do gallery wrapped, that's stretched around a wood frame, which is what I have. A cafe wrap, that's wrapped around gator board. There's thin, that's just like a thin normal canvas size, and then you can have it rolled. The 24 by 36 is the size I got for $89.99. That's a great deal, and it kind of shows how big it's going to be sitting above your couch, so that gives you a good reference point for size. Now, this is where the tricky part comes in. The edge wrap type, you have to do it the right way. Choose wisely. And this, I chose the best fit for the professional designers to choose the edge type based on the image dimensions, and this is where I feel like I wish I would have made a different choice, and I'm going to show you why later. But there's other options. You can do the solid color on the edge, which is probably what I would do the next time. And then, there's ways to customize it, but I wanted to print it as is, and then you can add a custom frame if you want. I decided not to do that, but still, it's all in all, it's a really great deal, and it was very easy to do. So the unboxing, it came wrapped really well, and I got my partner to help me unwrap this today for the camera, and it was just really well wrapped. I wish actually I could wrap all my paintings this way, but cardboard, plastic wrap, that bubble type wrap, and it just came out really perfect with no issues whatsoever as it arrived from the factory. That's a huge painting. It doesn't look like it, but that is a huge table. This is the outside lighting for this. So you see, with any print you're gonna lose some of the sparkle that's in the metallic paints, but overall in the inside lighting I was very impressed with the quality. It's really beautiful, and it really actually is comparable to the original. It was stapled quite well onto the wood frame, and it was a very sturdy, sturdy canvas. So I would love if you would subscribe if you haven't already, share my channel if you like what you see, and if you want to see more content, you can support by shopping my Amazon store. There's ways to support the channel if you don't want to do any of those things, like donate, and even small donations are awesome, like a cup of coffee, a tube of paint. It keeps these kinds of videos coming to you, and I appreciate it. I really deeply appreciate every donation. So look at this painting. It is a big one. Now I want to show you, this is the original. This is the mistake I made by letting them choose the edge wrap, and this is my #1 tip for you. So see over here, this is the original painting. I love this beautiful part, and unfortunately I lost all of that by allowing them to wrap it around the edge of the canvas. So my #1 tip is to choose plain sides if you can, even though it looks beautiful. That's what I did. I allowed the professional designers to choose the best fit, but I guess they didn't think I needed that part of my painting. I don't know. But yeah, I would not choose that best fit again. I would probably choose a solid color or maybe mirror wrap. I'm not sure, but I probably solid color. And I would suggest that you do that as well. But look, it really does look really beautiful on the wall, and I would do it again, absolutely. This canvas and this beautiful painting is going to be in a giveaway. So stay tuned to Heather Meter Art, and I will tell you in my next video how you can win this beautiful print of my most beautiful painting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.